All right, so the difference between the marginal social benefit curve and the market demand curve is, well, let's go back over what those are. So there's marginal benefit plus marginal external benefit equals marginal social benefit. So for example, like I usually do flowers, but it's the idea of if I plant flowers in my front yard and that brings people joy, let's say those flowers are, I don't know, saffron flowers, and I'm able to earn income from that, but they also make my neighbors smile because they're purple flowers that bloom in November. So the idea is that I've provided, the saffron flowers have produced a marginal social benefit, an external benefit in addition to my personal benefit, marginal personal benefit, plus marginal external benefit equals the marginal social benefit. And so when we read it, the marginal social benefit curve and the market demand curve is the marginal external benefit.